Today, I will teach you how to trade with Forex4you mobile app. And the details entail how to register, verify your account, the deposit and withdrawal processes. I will as well show you how to place a trade and manage your trades on the Forex4you mobile app. And in case if you're just coming across Forex4you, I made earlier videos about this trading broker, and I'm going to leave the link of those earlier videos in the video description here on YouTube. With that being said, let's swing into action. Okay guys, so this is the Forex4you app, and if you've not downloaded this app, you can use the link in my video description here on YouTube, okay? Once it's displayed this way, if you've signed up before, you can just log in. This is the login page, or if it's your first time, you click on register, okay? And you can either register with email or phone number. So I click on register with email, okay? Next, so you go and get the verification code sent to your email. So you can just see it's in the inbox straight up. If you can't find it in the inbox, you go to your spam folder, okay? You just go to your spam folder and look for it. But mine is my inbox, so you click on it. And then, of course, you paste it. You just fill in your details, okay? First name, last name, okay, and phone number, okay? And then you click on next, okay? Then you type your password, register. So you just be brought to this place. Now remember that mine is dark because I turned on the dark theme, okay? I turned on dark theme on my phone. Yours might be white, okay? So they are all the same thing, okay? So what you're just going to do now is to click on verify accounts. Now for the verification of your accounts, I would love to give you some extra tips that will help you verify your accounts faster. Now for the identity, for the proof identity, the following documents are accepted. 1, passport, that is your international passport. 2, digital national identity card, which is your NIN, okay? And this can be downloaded via the NIMC app on the App Store or the Google Play Store. Please note that screenshots are not allowed on Android phones. Only iPhone users can screenshot. Then the third is voter's card, and fourth, driver's license, okay? Then as for proof of address, you can use number 1, your bank statement. This must clearly state your name and your address, okay? And again, number 2, your national ID card. Paper slip is also acceptable, okay? And 3 is your utility bill, light bill or water bill, you get what I mean? And this must clearly state your name and address. And 4th, your voter's card. 5th, driver's license, okay? And please know that it is very, very important. It is very, very paramount and important that the front and back side of the document has a clear picture, okay, and must show the 4 edges of the document, okay? So it's going to take a maximum of 24 to 48 hours and then you get verified. But honestly, from my experience, it took just 1 hour during working period, 1 working hour. So right now, I'm going to switch to my account, my verified account. Okay, I just use this to show you how it's done. I'm going to log into my own verified account so that we'll continue this tutorial from there. So this is my main account, my Forex4you main account. Okay, let me refresh it real quick. And please note that the Forex market is closed during weekends. Okay, so if you log in during the weekend, say Saturday or Sunday, you may not see all this value. You just write market closed. Okay, so right now, once you are here and you verified your account, you will see this deposit option right here, okay? And when you click on it, you'll be directed to the various payment options, okay? You can see internet banking, okay? You can use bank cards, you can use payment systems like WMZ, Skrill, Neteller, Perfect Money, ADV Cash, AstroPay, okay? You can as well deposit with cryptocurrencies, okay? So it's just as simple as that. Then you select the account you want to deposit into, okay, and you put the amount from $10 and above, okay. Then from here, Share4you is for copy trading, okay. I did a video on Share4you earlier, okay. So this is for copy trading when you want to copy professional forex traders, okay. With that being said, let's still go back. So I close this and go back to dashboard, okay. From this under here, you see the analytics. This is where, of course, just as the name goes, the analytics of different currencies and how they are doing for you to do your studies very well before you place your trade, okay. You can still click on orders. You can see your open orders, pending, or your closed orders from here. You can as well look at your profile from here, okay, and different options, your accounts, different trading preferences and all that, okay. From this drop down right here, you can look at an overview of your account, the amount you have and everything, or you can switch to demo from here. You can see switch to demo. So when you click on switch to demo account, in case if you want to do your demo trading, you can say I have some money in the demo, okay, I'd love us to stay here and do a little bit of practical before we use real money, okay? So when you click on this drop down arrow and you want to add funds, virtual funds, you can click here, deposit funds, add 10,000 USD to your demo account. You can just add it, okay? So I logged out and logged in again, and then you can see my balance now has increased $10,798.42, okay? So let me just teach you how to place a trade. So I click here. I want to trade the euro Canadian dollars, okay? Once it opens, I want to share with you a strategy, okay? Even though when you're trading your Forex, please do your proper studies because no strategy works 100%. You can see different duration for the candlesticks. This 1 day, this 1 hour, 30 minutes, 15 minutes, okay? I love using either the 5 minutes chart or the 15 minutes chart. So, but for this tutorial, I'll use the 15 minutes charts. But whenever you see 4 to 5 consecutive candles of same colors, like this one we see here, after the fourth or the fifth one, it is going to what? Go up. So you buy in the upward trend. Okay. And whenever you see 4 to 5 consecutive candles of the green, the next one is going to be what? Low. Going to go down. Okay. So now we've not really seen 4 to 5. Okay. So it is still moving either up or down. Okay. But just for the sake of practical purposes, what you just have to do is here, you just put in the amount, $1,000. Okay. Or any amount that you want to. And I think I'm going to buy in the upward trend, so I click on buy, confirm. Okay, so when you go back and you click on orders, you can see my order. Okay, this is one I just placed with $1,000. Okay, you can as well set your take profit or stop loss here. Okay, anyhow that you want to do it. Okay, if you want to set your take profit, this is the price I bought up here. Okay, you can set your profit like 10 pips up. Okay, you can set your profit like, well, any amount you want. You can see. Okay, let me just set my profit real quick this way. Okay, I can set my profit this way, and for my stop loss, so I can set my stop loss this way. Okay, and leave the partial close. Okay, and then you can click on save order. So it is just as simple as that for you to place a trade. Okay, now I'll need to switch back to real accounts because I'll need to show you guys the previous competition I told you I'm going to be engaging with a fellow YouTuber. Okay, the copy trading that I did. And when you click on deposit funds, okay, let me just show you guys real quick, and then you click on share for you. Okay, so when you scroll down to my share for you account, you will see that the trade I took earlier, the guy I copied earlier, made some loss. Okay, the guy made some loss, and we had 1,000 cents before, but now is now what, 501 cents. Now this is just to tell you that it is not always 100% when you copy trade. Okay, for you to be safer and make money with copy trading, I recommend you copy different professionals, several professionals. Do not just copy one person. Spread out your risks, diversify your risk, and copy at least 2 to 3 professionals, and spread your funds across those 3 to 4 people. Okay, so guys, if you've not signed up on Forex4you, kindly use the link displayed on my screen right now to sign up, or you can as well find this link in the video description here on YouTube. Okay, Forex4you for me is the most transparent forex broker that I know, and you can see how easy it is for you to place and manage your trades via the app. If you enjoyed this one, leave a like. If you did not enjoy this one, smash dislike twice and tell me why in the comment section. And please share my videos on social media, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and other social media platforms so that other people too can gain true value from the videos that I share online. And I also love to state that Forex trading involves some significant risk to your invested capital, and assets may diminish in value or may be lost totally if you do not know what you are doing. So I recommend you do your proper studies before you commit to trading Forex. Thanks once more for watching. Stay tuned and see you in the next one.